Rare Beauty Give Yourself Grace Discovery Palette. I'm very excited to try this as this is my first eyeshadow palette by Rare Beauty. But before all that, we're gonna go see some swatches. Alright, I have primed my eyelids with a concealer and I will use the shade Cheer to set that. I'm using that as a setting powder, but I'm also using that to kind of highlight a little bit and prime the eyes for the other shades. The next shade I'm going to use is called Happy, and this is a beautiful matte mauve shade. I really do love Rare Beauty and how they choose the most wonderful names for their products. Looking at this, I am just so blown away by the message this brand gives, and I feel like it really does resonate with my channel specifically. I have not explained this before, but my YouTube name is called Bonnelivie, and bon means good and vie means life in French, so basically it means good life. And since my name is Livi, I just put the first part of my name right down in the middle because this is what is important: have a good life and never forget to have a wonderful and a beautiful day. Speaking of that, now we'll move on to Joy. This is a beautiful warm shade and I will apply that in the outer half of my crease. I seriously love the two undertones in this palette. I am really impressed by this palette so far. This is very smooth to blend. The mattes are amazing. Love is described as a deep terracotta matte. I am using Sonia G's soft shader. This is the awesomest. Ooh, oh my gosh, look at that. This is one tap. I am applying this in the outer corner of my eye. I am also applying the same shade for my lower lash line in the outer part. I'm using Shikuhodo eyeshadow pencil brush. I'm using the shade Faith and this is described as a berry metallic. I'm also using the same pencil brush and applying that in the inner half of my lower lash line. And I am blending that to the deep terracotta shade. And I am applying that right here where the terracotta shade ended. Now for the Splendor. This shade is described as a taupe to lilac glitter. I think I'm going to get my glitter glue for some safe practices. I will be using Too Faced glitter glue. Hope for the best. Ooh, this is definitely glue. Tacky AF. Okay, this looks so pretty, but we have one more shade to use, and that is the shade Hope. And Hope is described as a nude mauve metallic. Ooh. We are done, we are finished, and this is the result. I am very happy with how this look turned out. Everything just turned out really beautiful. All the mattes blended so well and they were very pigmented. I had no trouble putting color on the lids. The Splendor shade, it is definitely glitter. I'm a little taken aback because that should be obvious, because when I swatched it, it kind of seemed glittery, but then like it went on so smoothly on my arm. It swatches like a shimmer, but it is glitter, so you definitely have to put a glitter glue. Now with that said, do I recommend it? Of course I do. That is an easy yes. And for me, as a first time Rare Beauty eyeshadow palette trier, I am very happy. All right, it's your turn. Let's talk. Did you pick up this palette? And if so, what did you think about it? Also, do you have any of her previous eyeshadow palettes? And how does that one compare to this new one? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. And if you're looking for more videos to watch on my channel, check out this video right here. This is another eyeshadow palette tutorial, and this is using the new Too Faced Italian Spritz eyeshadow palette. I will see you there, and don't forget, have a beautiful and wonderful day.